What's the deal? 3:54 p.m. Wednesday, June 19th, and I have some news from Canntrust. Also, I'll show y'all what I've been doing. So yeah, basically, well, let's start with the news. Oh, also, I just want to show y'all what I bought. CB Dank special sauce flour. Looks kind of, looks kind of shady to me the way it's packaged, but yeah, industrial hemp CBD is protected by the Farm Bill Act. Must be 18 plus to buy and or consume. Contains less than 0.3% delta 9 THC. Check full lab results at getcbdank.com. That's how it looks like. It smells like cheese and tastes like cheese, kind of. Well, no, it doesn't really taste like cheese. Like when you inhale it, it's like you can smell. It kind of tastes like cheese a little bit, very lightly. So yeah, Canntrust. Yeah, Canntrust enters U.S. CBD market with California hemp joint venture. Canntrust establishes U.S. operations. So yeah, today, June 19th, 2019, CTST or TRST in Canada, a federally regulated licensed producer of medical and recreational cannabis with more than 72,000 patients in Canada, announced that it is establishing operations in the United States, starting in the state of California. Real quick, in my opinion, California makes the best cannabis. Well, from what I've seen and heard, all that. I'm not a pro at this, but yeah. So let me continue here. Canntrust has signed a non-binding letter of intent that will provide access to over 3,000 acres of farmland for hemp production with Elk Grove Farming Company LLC. Elk Grove, a diversified farming company with operations in the state of California to secure low-cost hemp with high cannabidiol content. Canntrust and Elk Grove will each have 50% ownership of a new entity, the joint venture. The opportunity in the U.S. for Canntrust is to become a trusted supplier of consistent, standardized, and high-quality hemp-derived CBD formulations at scale. The company believes there will be increasing demand for hemp-derived CBD formulations from international retailers and product manufacturers, and those organizations require expertise in genetics and value-add processing to ensure products are desirable and meet the highest safety standards. Canntrust will guarantee the offtake of biomass produced by the joint venture and will use its expertise to process, formulate, and sell hemp-derived CBD products in U.S. markets where such sales are lawful. As an experienced operator meeting rigorous regulatory standards, Canntrust is well positioned to execute on this cultivation, processing, and formulation strategy with the goal of becoming a leader supplier of hemp-derived CBD products in the U.S. So yeah, it says here this agreement represents another bold move for Canntrust, or our U.S. operation is expected to deliver a significant increase in low-cost production capacity, which will leverage our expertise in standardized CBD-based product formulation and will give the company a foothold in the largest international CBD market in the world with an experienced and knowledgeable partner. So this is the CEO. Following our successful equity offering, we have the liquidity we need to fund our ambitious growth plans, including our greenhouse expansion in Niagara. I can't say that. Niagara. Our outdoor cultivation operation in British Columbia. Our global footprint expansion and now our U.S. operation. We continue to focus on delivering on our vision of becoming a global provider of innovative cannabis-based and hemp-derived products. I think this is the CEO of um, the farm company, which is Elk Grove Farming Company. I believe this guy is, because I don't remember that face. So I'll continue. Elk Grove has multi-generational. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's the CEO of Elk Grove. So yeah, let me continue. Sorry. Elk Grove has multi-generational experience in farming across a wide variety of commodities and value-added expertise in leading crop protection products application and input supply with operations throughout the state of California. The team Elk Grove specializes in consulting on agricultural development and has unique knowledge of farming in California, one of the most prolific agricultural regions in the world. I believe that California has the best cannabis in the world. That's just me. I'm not an expert, like I said. I'm in Texas, but from what I've seen from the documentaries and stuff I've seen, I believe that California has the best shit in the world, basically. We are thrilled to be partnering with Canntrust. Our knowledge of farming operations in California, coupled with Canntrust's expertise in developing award-winning formulations, is the perfect match to become a trusted supplier of CBD products in the U.S., said Morgan Houchin of Oak Grove Farming Company. Yeah, so if you want to read more, you can go to this article. It's in New Cannabis Ventures. That's going to be my thumbnail. So yeah, let's go to my history. I'll start at June 10th. So yeah, June 10th. Okay, I did a limit sale, 350 shares at 1349 of VFF, which is Village Farms. And then I did a limit buy, 31 shares at $5.32. It's CTST. Another limit buy, 900 shares at $5.32. Then I did a market sale at $5.42, which is 10 cents higher. And then I did a market sell. I'm sorry, I did a market sell, and then I did a market buy when it fell 2 more cents, which is 935 shares at $5.40. Then I did a market sell, 935 shares at $5.25. Then I did a limit buy, 937 shares at $5.23. Then limit buy 2 shares at $5.22. Then I did limit sell June 19th, 2019. So yeah, you can see the dates. So so June 19th, 2019, I did a limit sell, 939 shares at $5.39. Then I did a limit buy, this is today. I did a limit buy for 946 shares at $5.35. So I managed to get some shares trading. Basically, I went from kind of like around 900 to I think it was like 40 shares, around 40 shares just trading, pure trading. It was over. I got like over $200 of shares just from trading. But yeah, either way, this thing was going down. But I do believe $5 is like its ultimate, like its bottom. It did go lower than 5. But at 5, it's still showing like crazy resistance at 5. See at 499, you see, yeah, it's like trading sideways. So yeah, that's how it looks like. Chart Canntrust 1 week. All right, so yeah, all time I'm up I'm sorry, I'm down 10%. But I'm expecting a bounce from Canntrust, by the way. So yeah, so I'm down 10%. Past year, I'm down 8.7%. CTST is down past year 46%. It IPO'd at $9.91. So let me continue. Past 3 months, I'm down 17.3%. Past month, I'm up 1.5%. Past week, I'm up 2.09%. And today, I am up 9%. Well, about 8, around 8% after the after market finishes. So yeah, ACB was down 1% today. CGC was up 2.8. Tilray is up 11.08%. Village Farms is up 1.7%. Zynerba Pharmaceuticals is up 0.4%. Cardinals Group is up 1.5%. Hexo is up 3.4%. Innovation Industrial Property is up 4%. New Age Beverages is up 0.8%. GW Pharmaceuticals is down 0.1%. MJ ETF MG Alternative Harvest is up 1.3%. Afria is down 1.1%. And this one is new. Akerna Corp common stock. I believe, okay, I looked this up. Let me show y'all. So yeah, let me show y'all. It says here, this one. So yeah, this is going to be on my watch list. It's called Akerna. I do not want to get into this. I don't want to read it. I already read it. But basically, it has to do with marijuana, but it's more on the technological side. So yeah, it's up 224%. Actually, 250 after if you include the after hours. So 250%. It's up today. 250%. Akerna Corp common stock. It IPO'd today actually. It IPO'd at $12.88. So I'm not sure if this is the one because I go down and it doesn't have an explanation. I believe it is this one, but I have to look into it more. So yeah, it says here 324% up today. God, that's insane. So yeah, that's it. I mean, oops. So yeah, peace out, y'all. Hit the like button, and I'll see y'all later. That's it, y'all. All I do here in this channel is basically update my information of what I've done. This is basically entertainment, if you want to call it that. And yeah, I just read articles. I have to do with my stocks that I have. Sometimes I read articles on the stocks, on these other stocks here in my watch list, which are all pot stocks. So yeah, peace out. Hit the subscribe button. And if you want to motivate me, hit that like button. That's it. Peace.